Hello guys, and how's it going? AlexTheGrumpyOne here, and today I got a video on the Scirocco. It's going to be a quick one. I'm going to show you how to upgrade your rear seat light that you got on the side there. I'm going to upgrade it to the LED unit as I've done in the previous videos on all the other ones. So if that is something you're interested in, guys, stay tuned, give it a subscribe and a like, and let's carry on. Right guys, so this is the light unit I'm talking about. So you got off position on the right, open door position, and always on position. So we're going to turn it off. Get a flat blade screwdriver behind the cover there. You have to pull it off slightly. There's a metal tab there that you have to squeeze in and pull it off, and it'll come off. There you go. So that's off. Squeeze that in, unplug it, and now we're ready to replace the bulb unit. Right guys, so this is the bulb they're going to need. It's C5W 36mm. To get the old one out, all you have to do is get this cover off. So slide it off. There's the old one there. So just push it out of there and get the new one, obviously with the LED units facing that way. So to locate in that hole first, then push it in. You can turn it after it's in there, make sure it's facing obviously that way, and put the cover back on. So just slide it back in now. Right guys, so now just obviously plug it back in and push it in there and clip it in. Right guys, so now we're ready to check what the light is like now. Let's just turn it on. There you go. So you got that nice white cool light. So that's brilliant. Let's just turn it off, and that is job done guys. Right guys, so here we go. Another quick interior light upgrade done. Don't forget to check the previous videos guys as well on the other lights. And also I'm going to put the link in the description below for the bulb that I've used here today guys, to make it easier to find one for you, and this is also error free. So yeah guys, if this is something you enjoyed, don't forget to give us a subscribe and a like guys. Also comment below for any future suggestions. I will see you soon guys, and have a good day. Bye.